discover 22 cool woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs to work faster, cleaner, and more accurately. From precision measuring tools and clever clamping solutions to time-saving power accessories, these tools are designed to boost efficiency and results. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this list will upgrade your workshop and transform how you build. BANGGOOD ENJOYWOOD Table Saw. ENJOYWOOD, available on BANGGOOD, focuses on precision aluminum accessories that upgrade existing table saws rather than full machines. Its 2026 lineup includes the M1 Pro Precision Mitre Gauge with multi-angle stops, adjustable joinery and coping sleds, thin rip jigs, and profile fence extenders. CNC machined, anodized aluminum construction ensures durability, while micro adjustments, safety stock guides, and wide compatibility deliver professional level accuracy, smoother cuts, and safer woodworking results. POWERTEC Hand Sanding Block. The POWERTEC Hand Sanding Block lineup delivers comfort, control, and versatility for precision sanding tasks. Most 2026 models feature an ergonomic, mouse-shaped design made from durable high-density EVA foam to reduce hand fatigue while maintaining firmness. Compatible with standard 5-inch hook and loop or PSA discs, these blocks work on wood, metal, drywall, and painted surfaces. Specialized options include dust extraction models, contour sanding kits, and longboard blocks for large flat surfaces. Festool Mobile Saw Table. As of 2026, Festool offers versatile mobile saw table systems for professional workflows. The STM 1800 mobile sawing table is built for one-person handling of large sheet goods, featuring a tilting load system, adjustable footprint, sacrificial wooden supports, ergonomic height adjustment, and excellent portability. For miter saw users, the UGK APEX trolley delivers fast setup, built-in transport rollers, and long trimming extensions. Festool also provides the CMS GE compact module system for precision, lightweight, mobile cutting solutions. SawStop 10-inch compact table saw. The SawStop 10-inch compact table saw, CTS, is a portable job site saw that delivers professional-grade safety and accuracy in a compact form. It features SawStop's AIM safety system, stopping and retracting the blade in under 5 milliseconds on skin contact. A rack and pinion fence, 24.5-inch rip capacity, micro-adjust bevel control, and tool-free zero clearance insert ensure precision. While its 68-pound lightweight build and integrated storage make it ideal for mobile work. Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel System. The Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel System is a professional-grade layout tool built for ultra-precise large-scale woodworking. Featuring laser-engraved aluminum beams, modular extensions, and precision sliding clamps, it allows flawless arcs, circles, and measurements beyond standard dividers. With interchangeable pins, pencil mounts, centering cones, and edge and corner guides, it handles complex layout tasks with ease. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it delivers unmatched accuracy, durability, and versatility. Infinity Tools Fluting Jig Master. The Infinity Tools Fluting Jig Master package is a versatile router system built for precise 2026 woodworking workflows. It creates perfectly spaced flutes in straight or arched stock, handling widths from 1 inch to 16 inches. Reversible bearing guide wings ensure smooth tracking on curves, while universal router compatibility makes setup easy. The transparent polycarbonate base, tool-free adjustments, engraved centerline, and included round nose bit set deliver accuracy, durability, and professional results in one complete package. Milescraft SAND-IT. The Milescraft SAND-IT, Model 1622, is a versatile, compact hand sanding block designed to handle multiple surfaces with a single tool. Its patented 4-in-1 multi-profile design includes flat, concave, convex, and tight corner edges for wood plugs, spindles, routed boards, and hard-to-reach corners. The quick snap locking system allows fast sandpaper changes, compatible with standard 1/4 sheet or 115mm rolls. Lightweight, ergonomic, and durable, it reduces hand fatigue during extended use, making it a must-have for precise, efficient sanding projects. JessEm Clear Cut STS Guides. The JessEm Clear Cut STS stock guides, Model 04320, are precision stainless steel accessories for table saws, offering professional grade stock control and safety. Angled guide rollers steer material for straighter cuts, while one-way bearings prevent kickback. They handle workpieces up to 2.5 inches thick with spring-loaded pressure for firm grip. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, they fit most major saw brands and feature tool-free pivot arm adjustments for effortless setup. In-feed and out-feed assemblies plus mounting hardware are included. BUCKTOOL Quick Blade Scroll Saw. The BUCKTOOL Quick Blade Scroll Saw 2026 series offers 16-inch and 22-inch models designed for precision woodworking. Tool-free blade clamps allow rapid swaps, while the liftable arm, 22 inches, and quick open side panel, 16 inches, simplify interior cuts. Both models accept pin end and pinless blades. Variable speed motors, 550 to 1600 SPM for 16 inches, 360 to 1550 SPM for 22 inches. Handle hardwoods effortlessly. Large bevel-capable tables, hands-free foot pedals, vibration-free LED lights, and dust management systems make these saws ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Infinity Tools Shelf Pin Jig. As of 2026, the Infinity Tools Shelf Pin Jig is a professional-grade solution for drilling perfectly spaced adjustable shelving holes in cabinets and bookcases. Its transparent polyacrylic body offers clear visibility for accurate alignment, while the rigid extruded aluminum fence keeps the jig square to the board edge. Supporting both 1/4 inch and 5mm bits, it follows the 32mm system, features adjustable edge offsets, infinite extension, and works with face frame or frameless cabinetry. O-School LCD Edge Banding Iron. The O-School LCD Edge Banding Iron, Model VL01, is a precision tool designed for clean, professional edge banding on plywood and MDF in 2026. It features a digital LCD display with accurate temperature control from 100 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent adhesive activation. Rapid heat up, a Teflon-coated shoe, and a specialized low-profile tip allow smooth operation on straight edges, curves, and tight corners, an ergonomic TPR handle, safety stand, and protective cotton sock enhance comfort, safety, and surface protection during extended woodworking projects. Milescraft 3404 PushStick. The Milescraft 3404 PushStick remains a trusted workshop safety essential in 2026, designed to keep hands safely away from blades and bits. Its tall, inward-angled handle naturally positions the hand farther from danger, while the narrow 3/4 inch profile makes it ideal for thin ripping tasks. A rear foot hook ensures steady forward pressure, and the high-traction rubber base prevents slipping or marring. The bright yellow body improves visibility in busy shops. Festool BS75 Belt Sander. In 2026, the Festool BS75 Belt Sander remains a professional-grade solution for aggressive yet precise sanding on large flat surfaces. Its 1010-watt longitudinal motor delivers high material removal while maintaining excellent balance and control. Variable belt speed adapts easily to different materials, while precise belt tracking ensures consistent grain parallel results. Built with a durable aluminum housing, efficient dust extraction, and optional stationary setup, it suits demanding workshop and on-site applications. Rockler JIGIT Hinge Mortising System. The Rockler JIG-IT Hinge Mortising System is a precision jig designed for perfectly aligned hinge mortises on jewellery boxes and small chests. It routes the box and lid in one setup for flawless alignment. Built from clear, durable acrylic, it offers excellent visibility, laser-etched guides, and an adjustable fence for different thicknesses. Interchangeable templates support multiple hinge types, delivering repeatable, professional results every time. Levoite Carbide Dowel Maker. The Levoite Carbide Dowel Maker is a precision woodworking jig that turns square stock into perfectly round dowels using a standard electric drill. It features adjustable diameter settings, indexable carbide blades for clean cuts, and a durable CNC machined aluminum body. Quick to adjust and easy to use, it works like a mini lathe, producing smooth, accurate dowels in seconds while remaining compact, portable, and workshop friendly. Milescraft 1600 TriGrips. The Milescraft 1600. TriGrips are innovative, non-slip work supports designed to hold projects securely without clamps. Featuring foam-impregnated friction pads and a self-adjusting weighted ballast, they stay stable in any position. Dual height elevation allows full edge access for routing, sanding, or painting. Integrated painter's points minimize surface contact for fresh finishes. Sold as a 4-piece set, TriGrips also reduce vibration for non-workshop uses like electronics. Rockwell JawStand XP. The Rockwell JawStand XP RK9034 is a heavy-duty portable support stand built for precise one-person work like cabinet installation and moulding. Its 3-in-1 design works as a stand, outfeed support, or third hand. Exact positioning micro-adjustment ensures perfect alignment under load, while low friction slides prevent drift. A tilting head, built-in clamp, wide tripod base, and 220-pound capacity deliver stability, accuracy, and easy portability on any job site. Trend Belfast Sink Jig. The Trend Belfast Sink Jig BS/JIG and BS/JIG/PRO are precision routing templates designed for accurately cutting Belfast, Butler, and farmhouse sink apertures in timber or compact laminate worktops. Built from durable CNC machined phenolic/HPL, they ensure long-term accuracy and stability. The jig supports multiple preset sink widths, precise alignment pins, and clean corner radii. The PRO version adds full adjustability, faster setup gauges, oversized sink support, and multiple corner options for professional installations. Trend Hinge Jig Skeleton. The Trend Hinge Jig Skeleton, HJIGC, is a portable two-piece adjustable template system for precise hinge recess routing in timber doors and frames. Its anodized aluminum rails fit doors 1956 to 2100 mm tall, while tool-free thumb-turn locks allow fast setup without Allen keys. Hinges act as the pattern for exact placement, including fire door compliance. Indexed backset discs cover standard hinge widths, supporting doors 16 to 51 mm thick. Compatible with rebated frames, it includes aperture blocks, braddles, a 16 mm guide bush, and a sturdy carry case. Leigh Isoloc templates. Leigh Isoloc templates are precision CNC machined accessories for Leigh dovetail jigs, enabling unique, organic interlocking joints. Each dual-sided template features two joint patterns: key, mirror key, clover, bear's ears, ellipse, and wave, with integrated imperial and metric scales for easy setup. The patented variable guide bush system, VGS, allows micro-adjustable joint tightness for flawless fits. Compatible with most router bases and 24-inch D-series or super jigs, these templates support half-blind, through, and decorative inlay joints, offering versatility and precision in custom woodworking projects. Pack and Roll Collapsible Cart. The 2026 Pack and Roll Collapsible Cart line by Olympia Tools offers versatile mobility solutions for workshops, home, and shopping. The 3-shelf folding service cart holds 150 pounds, folds to 8 inches for storage, and rolls smoothly on 3-inch rubber wheels. The collapsible plastic trolley is ideal for groceries or light tools, folding flat to 3 inches with a telescopic handle. All models feature secure locking mechanisms, ergonomic dual handles, 360-degree swivel wheels, and require no assembly, ready to use out of the box.